Did you know what is the most common question that I get on our Instagram? And that is, Muni, please can you tell us what are the best brain development activities for our babies? And when somebody asks me this, I always guide them to the fundamental basics. Come, let me show you what you can do to boost your baby's brain development. Okay, so my top brain boosting skill for the babies has to be interactive storytelling. One thing you can do with your child is tell them as many stories as you all can. They don't necessarily have to be from the books. You could tell them your own stories. It always helps when you add some props, you add some music, you add annotations and a lot of voice modulations. Let me give you an example. If I was doing a story with a young one, I tell them that, hey, look at that, I'm going to tell you a beautiful story about a fairy. But did you know that she came all the way to Mumbai to experience the magic of the Mumbai rains? But oops, she forgot to carry her umbrella. And then you could do some song with the kids, which could be singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. So what I'm trying to tell you, you don't necessarily need to keep buying books. Just tell them any creative story. Guess what? They're absolutely going to enjoy it. The second brain boosting activities. Guys, there's one thing I want you all to know. Babies learn the most through social interactions. So one thing I want you to do is spend time with your babies. And if I asked almost all my children that, hey, what do you like to do with your parents? What do you like to do with Muni auntie? You know what they'll tell me? They'll tell me, Muni, we love to do masti. So I want you to go all out and just enjoy with them. It necessarily doesn't need to have structure. Sitting and giggling with your child, making funny faces, all of these are fantastic for your baby's brain development. The third tip, very, very important for your baby's brain development, is music and rhythm. I sing little jingles to my babies whenever possible. Everybody really loves planes and rockets. I'll give you an example what I sing to them. Whenever they come to me, we're like, okay, let's sit on a rocket ship and let's go to space. So I sing for them. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. If you want to take a trip, get aboard my rocket ship. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. And then I'll give them little tickles. We're all laughing and it is so much fun. I hope you try this one. Okay, now my final and fourth brain boosting tip is going to be play lots of memory games with your children. Okay, so I don't mean that you have to buy memory games. You could play very simple things, simple observation games. Let me ask you a quick question. Do you know what color nail polish am I wearing today? Take a moment. Guess. Okay, I'm wearing purple. If you got purple, great. If not, which means your observation skills could definitely be improved. Babies love playing these little games. You take them to a birthday party, ask them, hey, what color shoes Shania was wearing? Did you see what color balloons did we get today? Or which color nail polish is mommy wearing? So on and so forth. These little observations throughout the day really add up to their memory capacity. You could also get any tiny cards. You all have tiny flashcards, fruits, numbers, transportations. Just spread them across the table, show them, flip them over. It sounds very easy, but it's very impactful. So all I want to tell you is that brain development doesn't take big efforts. Brain development happens when you consistently spend time with your kids. Those little moments filled with love and intention, they truly do the magic. I hope you're going to try these and I'll see you in the next one.